Hello and welcome to Ambay Etching Process, where smart technology meets creative design. Today, let's talk about something very cool: 5-axis laser texturing. This is a special method where a laser moves in 5 different directions. It helps us create detailed designs even on curved or uneven surfaces like bottle caps or molds. Take a zipper cap for example. Normally, it's hard to make fine designs on round caps. But with 5-axis laser, we can easily add grip texture, logos, or stylish patterns, all with perfect accuracy. The cap looks better and feels better to hold. Now let's look at a base mold used to make plastic parts. Using 5-axis laser, we can create textures like leather feel, grain finish, or custom patterns. These textures go straight into the final product, making it look more premium and unique. At Ambay Etching Process, we use modern 5-axis laser machines to give your product the best finish possible. With over 27 years of experience, we focus on quality, speed, and perfect detailing. Whatever your design idea is, we bring it to life. So if you work in packaging, plastics, bottles, or any industry that needs clean design, we are here to help. Visit our website or call us today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.